Here at the Cavern, we've got 13 televisions, and then we've got 3 zones of audio. You know, what's powering this behind the scenes is the rack. And inside that rack, we've got, again, full Control4, our Control4 server, a Control4 Audio Matrix that handles all the distribution of the audio. We've got a video distribution system for these music videos that we're going to be playing. But then the real power kicks in. We've got a QSC amp back there with 3,600 watts of power. We also put in some really neat self-healing product. As everybody knows, electronics have issues from time to time. And so what we've done is we've put in some preemptive product in there that actually monitors every piece in the rack. And if there's ever an issue, we automatically reboot it and get this place back up and running in a timely manner.
Hi, my name's Claude Williams. I'm one of the co-owners and general manager here at the Cavern Bar and Grill in Durango, Colorado. As far as Next Level Audio, working with them, we picked them because I'd heard that they were pretty much the utmost professionals in the area, and I was kind of blown away. We've had people come in and do a lot of electronics work, and you end up seeing wires all over the place. With Next Level, I didn't have any of that. What I also really love about it is the system is scalable. I've got right now a rack system that sits in the closet, and with that rack system in there, I can actually keep adding more speaker systems and more TVs to the entire system. I would recommend Next Level and Randy Allen's crew to anybody trying to open a bar or even for their home.